Did you know a simple heartbeat sound transformed a family falling apart? The Johnsons were living like strangers under one roof. Mom rushed between hospital shifts, Dad worked late into the night, and their two kids bounced between exhaustion and chaos. When they finally tried a family meeting, it was a disaster. Everyone talked at different speeds, interrupting and misunderstanding each other. Then Mom, a nurse, played something unexpected through her phone, a steady heartbeat rhythm she used to calm her patients. Within minutes, everyone's breathing slowed and synchronized. Their scattered energy became peaceful presence. That simple sound became their nightly ritual. Now they gather each evening, hands on hearts, listening together. Connection doesn't need words. Sometimes it just needs rhythm.